Ferdy, how many times I need to say sleep na? Ha? One time? Yes? I tell you to sleep na for 10 times. Keep your toys in the bucket and sleep na.
Okay.
Let's go, sleep na. Titingin ka pa dyan. Gising ka pa? Teddy, isilip na.
Mama.
Buro ka kaloko.
Mama. Mama.
Islip ka na.
Mama. Mama.
Teddy, you have a class. Don't sleep. Listen to teacher.
Okay, the correct answer is an. Everybody say it. An elephant. An elephant. Elephant. What is it, an? Well, S. E-S.
Teddy, you want chinelas? Okay, listen to teacher.
I will give you words. Okay? Not picture anymore. I will not show any picture. You will just listen to teacher. Okay, erase everything on your whiteboard, please.
Erasing the whiteboard. Yung mouse mo malalaglag na. It will fall. The mouse.
Carefully, ha?
Your mouse it will fall.
The word is butterfly.
Butterfly, what will you use?
Butterfly.
Anong B?
Another one is ostrich.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Answer mo.
A or an?
Ostrich.
Anong A?
Listen.
Ostrich.
Right na. Answer or chinelas? Okay, answer.
Please, a or an? Ostrich. 1, 2, 3. Show me your answers, please.
Show your answer na.
Okay, the correct answer is
Di nawala antok mo.